Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to set required answer on a Google form. So for example, if you create a question and the answer is not required, it means that if it's like optional. But when you set like required, then you'll see there is a little star on the red star. You'll see here it means the someone who sent your forms, they must uh, give the information. For example, if I choose another, like if I choose another answer, or maybe like email, and if I choose the question here, maybe gender, and then multiple choice, like I just upload here multiple choice, or I can set here checkbox, or option 1 male, or the suggestion like add all. If you add all like male, female, or prefer not, and you can see if you just keep it like this, then they either they can give the answer or not. But if you select here the required, it means they must have select the option, otherwise the spam will not be submitted. For example, if I click for example, okay, this time I'm just keep it like this and want to get the URL link, and if I go to the other incognito mode, and so you can say like it's everything is required here, like you can see the red star, it means it's required. But if you choose this one or not, it doesn't matter because you didn't set the required answer here. But if you set a required answer, for example, they must have input the like, so for example, like if you set this one and again the URL, copy it and go to the incognito mode and paste it here, leave. So if you see that it's a gender, it's mandatory now, like they must give the tick mark, otherwise it's not possible to submit. So this way you can set the required answer on a Google Forms. Okay friend, today's no one, see you in the next video.